Okay guys, so wait, let me fix my camera lighting. Alright, so yeah, I just got out of the shower, wet my hair a little bit, and today I'm going to do a tutorial on my hair, my edges, and my face, showing you guys what I put on each one. So first I'm going to take my toothbrush and a bottle of water, spray it a little bit. It got sprayed it too much, but yeah, so spray it a little bit, just a little bit, and then start to take out some of your baby hairs around your edges. I mean, I guess some people call them baby hairs, some people call them edges. Either or, just start to brush them out a little bit with the little bit of water that you spray on your toothbrush. If you spray too much, just shake it out like you see me doing. But yeah, just continue that all around the front edge of your edges. This side of my hair is so hard for me to do because my edges are starting to grow out. So like there's like super long now, and don't mind when you see my lips moving because I was on the phone. So I just muted this because I was on the phone. But yeah, so my edges are starting to grow out. Like they're like really long now. So it's kind of difficult for me to do my baby hairs now, but I'll manage. But anyway, so next I'm going to be showing you guys what I put on my curly hair. Y'all know I did a tutorial on this stuff before when I was trying the wet look, but I just used the Mielle strengthening hair mask with mint in there. So with this, I get this from Target. I think it runs about $11, $10.99, something like that. But I just take a little bit off the top and put it in my hand. I don't put it like well, actually, yes I do. I put it all over my hair. So I start actually in the front by my edges, and I just rub it in, caressing the front of my hair, like from my roots first, and I try to get it real into my roots, and then I put the rest in the bottom of half of my hair where my curls are. Just to give, this actually gives me so much definition, just with this one product. Just using this and water, like my hair stays in this curly state for like a whole week, and I don't have to do anything to it because in the morning when I get in the shower, it kind of like softens up every time. So I love this routine that I do. Alright, so after that, in this video, I'm going to show you what I put on my face every morning. And I can definitely tell the difference using this product. I got this from Marshall's, I believe. It was like $3. And here, as you can see, I'm trying to be an original YouTuber and try to show you guys what it says, but it's not working out with my camera. It's not focusing, and I'm getting a little angry. But it's called the Brightening Vitamin C Turmeric Face Serum. And with this, all I love how it pumps out. So I pump out just a little bit. I do 2 pumps, and I just use my index finger, pump out 2 pumps of this stuff, and then I mix it up into my fingers. But I only use the tops of like the what do we call them? The balls of our fingers. I use the balls of our fingers, and like my index finger, my middle finger. And then after I mix them up there, I don't put it on my whole hand. Then I just rub it into my T-zone and my forehead, and also down below by my chin. And I kind of do circular motions down there just to give my face a little massage as I'm rubbing this product in. But this product is so smooth and like rejuvenating. Like every morning it kind of wakes me up a little bit because it has like a refreshing feel. And after that, I just kind of fan myself so it'll dry up, and that's the end of that. So thank you guys for watching my video. Hope you guys learned something or can take something away from this video. If you liked it, give me a like and share and comment. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.